Subscribe to my channel for more videos on science and technology. What's the primary goal of transgenic crops? All of the above. Which of the following is a potential environmental impact of transgenic crops? Reduced biodiversity. In which year did India commercialize BT cotton, its first transgenic crop? (2002). Which regulatory body in India oversees the approval of GM crops? Genetic Engineering Approval Committee. Eco-friendly technologies in agriculture are primarily aimed at reducing carbon footprint. Which is considered an eco-friendly pest control method? Biological control. What does bioremediation involve? Use of microbes to clean up contaminants. Which type of bioremediation involves the use of plants? Phytoremediation. What is the scope of bioremediation in India? Extensive covering industrial, agriculture and urban sites. What is one major concern regarding transgenics and non-target organisms? Potential toxicity. Which eco-friendly technology helps conserve water in agriculture? Drip irrigation. Microremediation utilizes which organism for bioremediation? Fungi. Which one of the following is not a method of bioremediation? Biofarming. Which government initiative promotes eco-friendly technologies in Indian agriculture? Paramparagat Krishi Vikas Yojana. In which year was the Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety adopted? (2000). Which of these is a common transgene used for pest resistant in crops? Bt toxin. What is biostimulation in the context of bioremediation? Adding nutrients to enhance microbial activity. Which eco-friendly practice helps in maintaining soil health? Crop rotation. Which act regulates the use of genetically modified organisms in India? Environment Act 1986. Which of the following is an advantage of using eco-friendly technologies in agriculture? Enhanced sustainability. What is the role of bioargumentation in bioremediation? Introducing genetically modified organisms. Which transgenic crop is known for its herbicide resistance? Roundup Ready soybean. What is the critical step in the regulation of GMOs in India? All of the above. Which eco-friendly agriculture practice can reduce greenhouse gas emissions? Integrated pest management. Which process in bioremediation involves the use of plants to absorb heavy metals from soil? Phytoremediation. In which year did the Supreme Court of India impose a temporary ban on the field trials of GM crops? 2012. Which of the following is a bioremediation technique used for oil spill cleanup? Biopilling. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.